guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I bring you my Ipsy Extra, which was formerly, oh, if I can pick it up, the BoxyCharm by Ipsy. So if you want to see what I got in my box and everything in between, then let's go ahead and just get right on into it. Alright, if you don't know anything about the Ipsy Extra, which was formerly known as BoxyCharm, because they've changed the names. I think this just goes by Extra, not Ipsy Extra. But it's $32 a month plus a $1.99 handling fee. You still get 5 full-size products. Ipsy picks 2 of them, and then you pick the other 3 on the 1st through the 3rd of the month. It should be up to $200 in value, and that is that. I also did get beauty boosts, and then I got a points product as well that we'll go over at the end. You do always get a card that goes over things, and this is a hefty card this month. It flips open. Normally it doesn't. So the theme this month is Paint the Season Bright. This holiday season, don't just deck the halls. Line your eyes, gloss your lips, and paint the season bright. So on the inside, what are we talking about here? 'Tis the season to do Ipsy together. So it's telling you how to gift Ipsy. That is an option now. You can do a 3, 6-month, or 12-month gift for Ipsy. Our sneak peeks. Let's talk about these. So our sneak peeks here are the Tarte Shape Tape Radiant Concealer. I would not mind that because I love a good radiant concealer. We have the Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. I don't mind a waterproof mascara, so I wouldn't mind either of those. And then we have the 5 Scents Happy Tears fragrance. I don't need any more fragrance, so I'm not inclined to want that. Then we have Stock Your Stuffings. Stuff your stockings. Jesus Christ. If I could talk. So it's telling you about, you can still get the advent calendar. It's telling you about the mystery bags for the month. This is telling you all about all of those items. And then you can still scan the QR code, which will take you either right to the app or it'll take you to the web page. And then on the back has the QR code again. And then it says, unwrap your holiday glam. And it's just a little to-do. So that is our booklet. I'd be really excited next month for the Tarte concealer. But let's get on into my bag. So the first 2 items that Ipsy chose for me are, the first item was this Element liquid eyeliner in the shade brown. This retails for $18 and is a vegan, transfer-proof, intensely pigmented felt tip brush and no feathering eyeliner. So those are all good things. Let's see. That is what your felt tip will look like. And I've gone back and forth on whether or not I should keep this because I'm not a huge fan of felt tip eyeliners. Oh, that's interesting. Just says apply along the lash line, but it gives you a number to contact if you have an adverse effect, so that's interesting. But it's a brown liquid liner, so I think I'm gonna swatch it. Ooh, that's a beautiful chocolatey dark brown, and that dried down immediately. So, all right, Element. $18 brown eyeliner. I'm not mad at it, but I'm not super excited about it. I am, however, very intrigued about this next product that they picked for me. So this is from Lith, and this is their Beauty Glow, their Nourish and Glow lipstick. So this is a $26 lipstick. It does feel weighted, and I have the shade Peony, which is a rosy pink. It says the look of a lipstick with the benefits of a lip balm. It combines the I can't talk today. combines the vitamins A, C, and E with shea butter and hyaluronic acid and green tea extracts to nourish your pout while coating it in satin pigments. So this is what it looks like. It's just a nice white packaging, and it is magnetic, so that is nice. That is the shade. I think that's really pretty. Ooh, it smells good. It smells like chocolate, like cocoa. And I love a good satin lipstick. That is gorgeous, I do have to say. Oh, I already got some on the bullet, on the thingy. That's the only problem with this white packaging, is I can see it getting very dirty. But gorgeous, gorgeous lipstick. Next, we can get into my choices, the 3 items that I chose, which I will say, I did forget to take pictures of my choices this month. I'm so very sorry. I got caught up in making choices that I forgot to take screenshots. I apologize. But there was a lot of skincare, and I was very annoyed about that. So for my very first choice, I went with the, it's so heavy. It's the Luna Nectar Blur and Hydrate Serum. This retails for $39, and it is in a glass bottle here. This is what she looks like. It is purple. For a serum, it's very liquidy. Hyaluronic acid serum. It's got hydration and matte effect, packed with hyaluronic acid to help visibly plump and hydrate your skin, while butterfly pea flower, which is why it's purple, and green tea extract in helichrysum extract, I probably butchered that, and my greatest apologies, deliver antioxidants to help boost your glow. I'm not going to pump this out right now because I just opened a serum, but I got this specifically for my morning serum for when I'm doing my morning skincare. I feel like this would be great before makeup, especially if it's going to hydrate and mattify my skin. But it's so liquidy. So we shall see. I'll have to report back on that. Then for choice number 2, I went with the Lucky Chick face palette in the shade Mystic Halo, because this did come in 2 different shades, I believe. But this retails for $34, so it says that it has 1 luminous highlighter, plastic packaging, a bronzer, and 2 blushes. Your one-stop shop for radiant, glowing skin. So this is what it looks like. I do think it's pretty. I'm just a little worried about the highlighter. I think everything else could work for me really well. We do have a full mirror in here. No real scent. So let's give these a swatch. So Aura is the highlight. Then we have Rise, ooh, Soul, and Fate. The powders feel gorgeous. So that's, oh, that is stunning. Okay, I was worried that highlighter wasn't going to work for me. And then we have the pinky blush, the peachy blush, and the bronzer. Let me go back into the blushes. They're so soft. The pinky blush and the peachy blush. There we go. Now you can see them a little bit better. And the bronzer. I think the face palette's actually going to work for me. I was very concerned when I first saw this, but I think it's going to work beautifully. So let's peel this. Aw, that didn't give us any good sound. But the Lucky Chick face palette. And last but not least, my third choice was this Rodial Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Drink. And this retails for $52. And this helps plump, prep and revive your skin. Powered by sodium hyaluronate, it keeps your complexion dewy and refreshed, whether you use it as a primer, a setting spray, or a midday pick-me-up. I always love a good spray, and like I said, there was just so much skincare, so I was like, spray. And the things I've tried from the Dragon's Bloodline have been really nice. So, and the fact that it's saying I can use this as a primer, as a setting spray, so I'll have to try it. Let me smell it. Ooh. It smells like tart cherries. Ooh, it smells nice. It had some tape on it. Let's see what the mister's like. Ooh, that smells really nice. I could see me using that as like a finishing spray. So, that is really good. So my whole box valued $169. And watch, this eyeliner is not gonna wanna go anywhere. So after scrubbing, it's half come off. So next we're gonna go ahead and get into my Beauty Boost, which if you don't know what the Beauty Boost is, that is a $15 extra full-size product that you can add on to your extra subscription. So it pops up with its recommended, this is what you're getting, but if you don't want that product, you can go in and you can unselect it, and then it'll give you a little curated selection of things you can choose from. I didn't even take a screenshot to show you what it had pre-selected for me, but I did choose something different. I went in and made a different choice, and I chose the Glow Recipe Firming Serum. I still had only skincare to choose from, so this is what I went with instead. This is what it looks like. Full-size product. This retails for $45. So I got $30 in value basically because I paid 15 bucks for this. So this is powered by polypeptides, including copper peptides, to help support collagen and visibly smooth the look of fine lines. Hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates, while pomegranate helps protect against future damage. I also thought that this would be a really nice morning serum. So I am stocked up for morning skincare, or at least morning serums for the time being. Why did I put it back in the box? Throwing the box away. I don't need the box. It is just a pump. I like Glow Recipe. I've never had an issue with anything Glow Recipe. I'm currently using their dark spot serum. I forget what it is. Their guava vitamin C dark spot corrector serum. I'm currently using that and I really like it. And then I got an add-on for my points. So this was 600 points. So it was a free product, basically. But this retails for $13. This is from e.l.f. and this is their bronzing drops. So this comes in 4 different shades on the e.l.f. website. And I got the shade Bronze 3 Copper Gold, which is the darkest shade. This is a copper gold with gold shimmer for medium to deep skin tones. It's a tinted serum that gives your skin a sun-kissed complexion without the sun. It has vitamin E and sunflower seed oil and can be used on the face and body. And part of me wants to swatch it, but like, now knowing that it's the deepest shade, I think I'm just gonna throw this in my giveaway drawer because I just don't think that I'm gonna get any use out of copper gold bronzing drops. So, waste of a $600 point perk, but it's fine. That's on me. That is everything that came in my extra box. Like I said, $32 a month, and my box itself retailed for $169. So I think it was a really good box. My only complaint this month was it was a bunch of skincare. And I would prefer more makeup. But the makeup that I got, I am really happy with. I think it all turned out really, really nice. That eyeliner didn't even fully want to come off my hand. So that'll show you that it's really going to stay on your eyeballs. So I'd love to know if we were box twins, if you chose a bunch of skincare as well. Did you have a bunch of skincare for your choices? I'd love to know. I'm so sorry that I didn't take screenshots, but that is going to do it for my extras unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.